So we're at the end of week 1. On Friday of week 1, you should have all of your orientation materials turned in by the end of today. You can see all your orientation assignments here and in the announcements I sent out last week. There's 4. You need to do the discussion board, the orientation quiz, the respondus practice assignment, and email me with the following information. You can find the respondus assignment and quiz student assessment test in here, and then the discussion board right here, week 1, but you can also find them under discussions. You should have had your initial post done on Wednesday, and then all your replies by today to your classmates. Look at the discussion board rubrics to see how it will be graded. Tomorrow, you need to have your week 1 work done. You have a week 1 overview here, when things are due and what we'll be covering in week 1. You have your lecture materials, week 1 readings. So these are all the links to the e-text, presentations and videos, and your slides can be found under here. Here are some examples of the written questions that may be on the exam. You have the quiz also due, and some of the multiple choice will come from this quiz, so make sure that you take both attempts on the quiz. The written questions, you'll have a couple of these on there. Make sure you answer them thoroughly. And you can use those 2 pages of handwritten notes on the proctored exam. And then here is the week 1 exam. It is proctored by Respondus, and you'll know your Respondus is working after you do the orientation practice Respondus assignment. Lab materials also under week 1, and you'll have an interactive lab on the mastering site for week 1, and this is a link to that. Another way to access all the Pearson materials is if you click on the Pearson link. It should bring up a page similar to this. It may not look exactly like this, but it'll have links. It'll have the welcoming to mastering, your assignments, the Pearson e-text, and the study area. Use all of these. So with the assignments, you can see all of the assignments on the mastering calendar, but there are 2 other calendars that you can look at also. Back under the orientation, I have a course calendar that's a PDF that you can see here. And so you can see this calendar as a PDF. You can also see the calendar within Blackboard. Click on the month, it'll give you a summary, show you what's due on each day. And then you can look at due dates, and this will show you what's due day by day. Back here on this mastering calendar, as I've mentioned several times, the dynamic study modules, which are these orange assignments, must be done by the due date or they will be a 0. The blue, the homework, can be done with a 1% per day penalty. Same with the labs. The labs are these flask, kind of pinkish purple looking things. Again, back under here, the study area. Utilize the study area. You can study by chapter. You can do the e-text. When you click on study by chapter and hit each chapter, you can see videos associated with the chapter, MP3 tutors, the e-text, study quizzes, practice tests, all kinds of things in there. And with the e-text, if you do a search, and let's search evolution or pH. Let's do pH. It'll pop up. You can do channels, launch the channels. It'll give you videos associated with that topic. It'll give you practice assignments. It'll give you things to work with to learn the subject material. Also, it'll give you links within the text and take you to where that is talked about within the text. You can make notes in the text, you can underline, you can highlight, you can do all kinds of things in the text. And so I think that's a good overview. If you have any questions, remember let's go back here, the first assignments. So your orientation, I'll do today. But your first mastering assignments are going to be due tomorrow. I will release the exam. The exam will be due on Tuesday. Monday is Memorial Day. So we'll push that to Tuesday. And so that'll give you the weekend to work. And I'll release the week 2 materials also, so you'll have the weekend to work on those. I look forward to working with everybody this semester. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.